Hi guys, part 4 on how to become a safe rider. Invest in yourself. Get good gear, get a good helmet, get gloves. I always wear my gloves, I wear my leathers. Get good boots, I have riding boots. Invest in yourself, protect yourself at all times. It'll make a difference. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, click that like button, comment, share. You know the drill. Cheers.